Right, it may be a luxurious high-end car, but the customer wanted more bass. So let's take a look at what we did. So 2019 Bentley Continental GTC Speed. So it's a quick one. Does not hang around, this thing. It's a cracking bit of car, real obviously super plush inside, as all Bentleys are. It's just, you know, lovely place to be, and was spec'd with Bang Olufsen system from the get-go. So, you know, it's pretty serious, and obviously it's going to be been set up pretty well, and it does sound good. However, the customer just wanted more bass. He just wanted a more kind of all-encompassing kind of solid rumble through the car when he's listening to that sort of stuff, and also when he's got something on that's, you know, got a bit more drive to it, a bit more punch. He wanted that kind of punch. So we've delivered basically something nice and simple but very effective. We went with the Audison active 10-inch sub, which is the APBX 10 AS2. So it's obviously a little bit bigger than the 8-inch that you might have seen fitted in S4s that we've done before, and a couple of other cars. Obviously still takes up an area of the boot, but obviously with these subs, they're cracking bits of kit because it's a solid, nice, really well built box with the Velcro feet, and because it's downward firing, it means that actually you can still use your boot. You can still put stuff in there, and yeah, you'd have to be shy of, oh, am I going to damage it or anything like that. And it sounds, you know, still pretty discreet as well, because it is just a black box that's tucked away, but really delivers a cracking amount of bass. You know, obviously you can have it that it's kind of beating away at everything, or like I say, you can have that more all-encompassing swell of bass where, you know, some songs you can really feel it in the background. It builds and it gives you that real nice warm feeling of, oh yes, you're just surrounded by warmth, and that's what it's able to do, even all the way back here in such an, you know, really well built car, you know, really well insulated all the way through. It still delivers exactly as it should, because obviously bass isn't directional. It kind of just fills this area and just travels. So with these subs, you've got obviously the 8-inch and the 10-inch. The 8-inch has a 500 watt built-in amplifier, and the 10-inch has an 800 watt built-in amplifier. So it's, you know, it's a real powerful bit of kit. And obviously, because it's all in one, it just goes in, does its job. Obviously needs its power and its grounds and all that sort of stuff. Pick up a speaker signal and things. But yeah, works an absolute treat. And I think you'll find, yeah, looks really smart in there. Luckily, this owner, he said to me that he really only keeps the car cover in there and like a little bag. So we were free to just sort of use the space. Obviously some people use their boot more, and that's not a problem because obviously you can just put stuff on it. But yeah, it sounds cracking, looks smart, and just ties in really nicely with the car. I've had a little play with the settings on the Bang Olufsen in the, like, the kind of tuning area. So it's really not tuning, but it's got this special little area you can play with. So I had a little play with that because previously he was obviously trying to get more bass out of it, so then that was sending more of a bass signal through all the speakers. So it did become a little bit boomy and a bit wally. But as soon as I sort of tried to clean that up and move the parameters into a better area, sounds cracking now. Played a whole range of music on it earlier, some nice, calm, gentle stuff, and then we played some real driving, hard-hitting bass stuff, and yeah, sounds cracking. So it'll certainly deal perfectly fine with the engine and exhaust note, and it will just fill his car with great sound, and I think he's going to be pretty happy. So that's it really, just a little quick one to show you that whatever standard car you've got, be it a small little Fiat Panda that you might love and you just want more music in it, we can do that. If you've got a Bentley that you want to have more music in, even if it's got a big old factory upgrade, we can improve it. Everything can have audio, everything can be improved to make it sound as good as music should be and to make your driving more enjoyable. So in the meantime, check out more videos, see what else we've done, see the other cars we've worked on. Worked on a Ferrari, BMW Z8 Alpina, whole range of stuff. And yeah, in the meantime, keep liking, subscribing, make sure you follow, share it with your friends, and we'll see you again in the next one. Thanks for watching.